Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace the hockey figures on a Stiga Table Hockey Game. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is a Stiga Table Hockey Game, and it has many of these hockey figures on it. Now this one came with extra hockey figures to use, so you can sort of swap out the sets and stuff like that. Or maybe you just want to change the colors on the different sides. It's kind of up to you, but you can actually swap these figures out and replace them really easily, okay? So first and foremost, this is not a requirement, this part, but I do like to do this. I like to get my hand underneath and sort of hold on to whichever figure I'm changing. So if I'm changing this one over here, I like to figure out where it is on the bottom and just use my hand and just sort of hold that in place. It's not a requirement, but it just makes sure that you're not putting too much pressure on the rods. Once you have that being held in place, which I said, it's not a requirement, you could do this without holding it in place, but I do recommend that you hold it in place. So once you're holding it in place, all that you gotta do is get a good grip of the figure and pull up. As you can see, you've now taken the figure off, and on the bottom of the figure, you can see that there's only one direction of that slot, so you can't put it on in the wrong direction, okay? It's only gonna fit on in one way. Once you've figured out the way to put it on, you're gonna line it up properly, press it down, and that figure has been swapped. Once again, to remove the figure, you simply get a good grip underneath, which is my recommendation, but not a requirement, and then you pull the figure off of that little sort of piece right there. To put it back on, you line it up properly. Once it's lined up properly, give it a good push, and it's back on. And that's it. That is how to replace the figures and sort of swap them on this Stiga Table Hockey Game. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.